Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Roblox error continue installation without a flag settings error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do if you're having this error is to simply launch Roblox and or the Roblox player launcher as administrator. So when you try to install Roblox, it creates certain files on your system that gets triggered during the installation and launching process. So one such files is Roblox Player Launcher. Roblox automatically triggers and it uses whenever required. However, since we are facing this issue, we can say that it is not actually triggering the said file. So in that case, first of all, start Roblox with administrative privileges. So if starting Roblox in elevated mode did not do the trick, follow the steps right here, mentioned right here, to start the Roblox Player Launcher as admin. So first, just hit the Windows plus R key to open the Run dialog box. So just enter the percent update the percent and hit enter and navigate to the local and then go to the Roblox and then hit the version section. So you will see a number of folders there. So we needed to decipher which one is the latest during the date modified column. So just open the latest folder in there and then now just click onto the Roblox player launcher and select run as administrator as shown right here in the photo. And after that, just click yes when the UAC prompt appears. So this will most likely update your Roblox without showing you the error in question. But if the problem still persists after doing this, what you can do next is to clean the Roblox app data. So if starting Roblox Player Launcher with administrative privileges again didn't work for you, let us move on with the app data of the Roblox and allow it to create new ones. So we do this to flush out any corruption that may have triggered this issue. So to clean Roblox app data, you are required to do the steps right here. So first, just open Run Windows on your device, and then after that, enter the percent up local percent or percent local update a percent and click OK. And just simply look for the Roblox as shown right here, like right here, and simply delete it. So once the folder is deleted, just launch Roblox with administrative privileges and check if the issue is resolved. And then lastly, what you can do here is to allow Roblox through firewall. So if you're having trouble installing Roblox, it could be because your third-party antivirus software or Windows security is blocking it. So in some cases, you may need to temporarily disable your antivirus to install and play Roblox without any issues. However, keep in mind that disabling your antivirus software can leave your computer vulnerable to threat and risks. So to avoid this, you can choose to add Roblox to the exemption list in your antivirus software so that it won't be flagged as a threat. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you are experiencing the Roblox continue installation without flag settings error. So make sure that you click the like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.